Namaste, Radhe Radhe. Let's talk about Morning Star Candlestick Pattern. If you see this one, okay, before going to details, let's look at the disclaimer. Read this disclaimer for a minute and let's go into this one. This one we discussed earlier, and when I say earlier in initial videos, just go through this. What is this? Real body and wicks, all those things, shadows. So here, if you see here, maybe I'll go here. The new candle which is forming, this first is a red candle, very big red candle. This second candle is basically, I don't know why they said second candle, but this is the third candle. This is the second candle where the formation is doji. Third is above the 50% above the stomach line of this. When this kind of things on top of a gap up happens, gap down happens, and gap up happens. So here you have to take the entry. This is called Morning Star candle. Simple, period. Nothing less than in a minute, less than a minute. So, but how much reliable? Yes, highly reliable in a downtrend market. Highly reliable in a downtrend market. You can see, understand the anatomy, you understand downtrend, and then you draw a trend line, and then boom, you take it. You see here, this is the, I think this is the example where it came down and then it started moving up. It also, you can consider this one also. This one is more accurate, nearer. So bullish implications of Morning Star: potential trend reversal, buying pressure, renewed buying pressure kicked in, and bullish confirmation happened. And the three candlesticks pattern, three should be there. Don't confuse yourself. Three. When the third one happens, I think I will show you again. When the third one, then the third candle happens, above this, your buying needs to be there. And the significance and the first and the third candles, importance, I think I discussed about what is the significance of each candle earlier. So candlestick patterns, you have to identify support and resistance, you have to see, and you have to see the volume dynamics also, how it is coming. Confirming the Morning Star signal, it's like analyze the first candle and look for a doji and confirm the bullish reversal accordingly. Entry and exit strategy of Morning Star: identify the setup, time the entry, and set the stop loss. That's very good. Common variations of the Morning Star: bearish engulfing candle, gap up, second candle, longer wick, Morobojo candle. So you can see those things. So that is important. Combining the Morning Star with other technical indicators, you can confluence with moving averages, oscillators, like MACD, RSI. You can look at them, and volume analysis also you can include. Analyzing real world trade example, this is very important. If you have to succeed in the markets, practice. Look at the history, and history repeats in the market, so be careful. And if you have identified in a single stock, this kind of pattern can happen. The same thing will happen. Very few people do yoga to overcome their DNAs or their psychological impact. So market repeats, history repeats. That's what Edwin Lefebvre says in his book Reminiscence of a Stock Operator on Jesse Livermore. So anyway, okay, back testing the Morning Star strategy, historical data, simulation, optimization. You can use the stats also, all those things. But risking limitations, Morning Star, false signals will be there, timing challenges, limited applicability, situational constraints. You have to go through all these things. For a single candlestick, if you are into the trading, this is how an investment banker who wants to take position, even a research analyst for that matter, to say technical research analyst, I don't know about the fundamental, I will talk about the fundamental later on, but the technical analyst goes through so much of pain to give you a research report. So much pain, or so much of energy you will invest. Okay, thank you all. If you really want to know about the courses, consulting, presentations, portfolio review, books and subscriptions, do connect with me with the links below or in this description, so we can connect there. Thank you and bye all.